Do y'all know this song?
Olivia's asleep, got distracted on her way.
This is a song called Olivia by the Whispers. It came out in 1978. I discovered this song in 2025 because I hated music so much. I was like, let me go back to my favorite era, which was in the 70s. And I was just discovering music. And the only thing that really stood out was this particular song, some of their other songs, a couple of bops from the 70s, and a lot of SOS Band. But this one I cannot get over. The song is like a cautionary tale about like a girl who lost her way.
A wolf in lamb's clothing came through her mind and changed her ways. And now she's turned out.
She was lost and turned out.
Lost and turned out.
Basically steered away from home and ended up into prostitution and sexual exploitation and other topics about psychological captivity. A guy, her pimp, wanted to buy a Seville off of her work.
He wants to buy a new Seville.
It's ultimately about how women are losing their way in 1970s. I can only imagine what they think about the women of today. And it's ultimately supposed to be this song that's like a message about women like using your mind, not using your body. But that's not why the song gets me. The song gets me because of the rhythm. This song has a rhythm I cannot find, and it hits like nothing I have been able to find. Lyrical standpoint, vocal performance standpoint, the way they're able to kind of take this tragic story and present it through a lens that's like streetwise and confident. Like they almost are preaching. They're not, although they're singing and it's very soulful, they're still like giving you this message in a conversational way, like the dudes who like observe the neighborhood and have seen it all before.
There's over 10 million girls who are lost in this world.
But still, the instrumentation, like it's like this low slung, like rolling deep, like the pocket is a deep pocket. That's what I be looking for, these deep pockets. And of course there's a soul of funk in there, but they're singing, they're narrating, they're talking, they're warning, but it's so smooth and being done under these harmonies. But the groove is what I can't get over. My favorite part is the outro. They're repeating like the emotional refrain of the song, and he's doing this speaking over it.
Olivia, break your chains. Lost and stop using your body and use your brain.
Walter Scott, the lead singer, which overall just gives it like this groovy sermon about prostitution. Like it's funny, but this shit is so hard. And what I be looking for is like, there's just that part, that groove, that rhythm. It's just something that like, this shit is so hard, but like I cannot find that shit nowhere else.